Hello students, let us read this question. For a matrix A, so we have given matrix A, we need to show that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11I equals to 0 and hence find A inverse. So for a given matrix, we have given a matrix A, and for this matrix we need to show that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11I equals to 0. So we need to show that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11I equals to 0. So for this, first we need to calculate a square and a cube. So we have given matrix A, which is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3 and 2 minus 1, 3. So this is our matrix A. So A square will be A into A. So this is the multiplication of A matrix. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2 minus 1, 3. Multiplied by 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2 minus 1, 3. So if we do the multiplication, this will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 minus 1, then 1 minus 3 plus 3. Then this will be 1 plus 2 minus 6, then 1 plus 4 plus 3, 1 plus 4 plus 3, then it will be 1 minus 6 minus 9, then it is 2 minus 1 and plus 6, then 2 minus 2 minus 3, then 2 minus 2 plus 3 and plus 9. So our a square will be equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, then 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, then 1 minus 3 plus 3 will be 1, then 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 6 is minus 3, then 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, then 1 minus 6 is minus 5, minus 5 minus 9 is minus 14, then 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, then 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, and 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14. So this is our a square. Similarly, we can calculate a cube. Now a cube will be a square into a. So since we have got the value of a square, we will multiply this with a to get the value of a cube. Minus 14, 7, minus 3, 14 into a is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 3. So this is equal to, now a cube will be equal to, so if we multiply this is 4 plus 2 plus 2, then 4 plus 4 minus 1, then 4 minus 6 plus 3, then minus 3 plus 8 minus 28, then 3 minus 3 plus 16 plus 14, then it is minus 3 minus 24 minus 42, then 7 minus 3 plus 28, 7 minus 3 plus 27, 14 to the 28, then 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6 minus 14, then 7 plus 9 plus 42. So if we add this, we will get the value of a cube as 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 4 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 3 is 1, then minus 3 plus 8 is plus 5, plus 5 minus 28 is minus 23, minus 23, then 16 plus 14 is 20, 20 minus 3 is 27, then this is minus 3 minus 24 is minus 27, minus 27 and minus 42. So if we add this will be 969. So this is 69, minus of 69. Then 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 plus 28 is 32. 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 minus 14 is minus 13. Then 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 42 is 56. So this is our AQ. Now the last term will be 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 42 will be 58, not 56. This is 58. So this is our A square and AQ. Now the equation that we need to prove is a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11I equal to 0. So we will substitute the values of a cube here. So a cube is 871, 871 minus 23, 27, then minus 69, then it is 32 minus 13, 58. This is our a cube. Minus 6 times a square is 421, then minus 3 8 minus 14, minus 3 8 minus 14, 7 minus 3 14, 7 minus 3 14. This is 6 times a, then 5 times 6 times a square. Now a is 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3, then 2 minus 1 3. Plus 11I means identity matrix, so it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. We need to prove this equal to null matrix. That means all the elements should be 0. So if we simplify this, it will be 8 minus, so if we simplify the first two terms, so it will be 8 minus 6 into 24, so it will be minus 24, then 7 minus 12, then 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6, then 20 minus 23 plus 18. Second term will be 27 minus of 8 6 are 48. Then 16 minus 69 plus minus 69 plus this will be 84. Then 32 minus 40 minus of 42. Then minus 13 plus 18. Then 58 minus 84. So this is the result of first two terms. Now the second now the remaining two terms will give us 5 plus 11, then 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, then 5, then 5 to the 10, 10 plus 11, then minus 15 plus 0, this will be 10 minus 5, then 15 plus 11. So this will be 8 minus 24 is minus 16. Then 7 minus 12 is minus 5. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. This is minus 5. This will be 1 and 21. Minus of 21. This will be plus 15. This is minus 10. This is plus 5 and this will be minus of 21. 1 minus of this will be 26 plus this will be 16, 5, 5, 5, then 21 minus 15, 10 minus 5, and this will be 5 plus 1 is 6, so this is 26. So if we add this, we will get a null matrix. So all the elements will get cancelled with each other. So this will give us a null matrix. That means all the elements of the matrix are equal to 0. So hence we have proved that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11I equal to 0. So hence we have proved that. Now we need to find out a inverse also. So the equation is a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11I equals to 0. Now we will multiply by a inverse on both sides. So if we multiply by a inverse on both sides, we will get a cube into a inverse minus 6a square into a inverse plus 5a into a inverse plus 11I into a inverse equals to 0 into a inverse. So a cube into a inverse will give us a square, then minus 6 into a square into a inverse will be a, then 5 a into a inverse is identity matrix, then 11 into I into inverse of a is inverse of a equals to 0. So therefore we get 11 a inverse equals to minus of a square plus 6a minus of 5I, or we can say that a inverse will be equal to 1 upon 11 times minus of a square plus 6a minus of 5I. So we can further simplify this. If we take minus outside, we will get a square minus 6a plus 5I. Now we have the value of a square, so we can substitute to get the value of a inverse. So a inverse will be minus 1 upon 11 times a square. So a square we have calculated as 421 minus 3 8 minus 14 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 7 minus 3 14. So this is our matrix A minus 6 times matrix so this is our matrix A square. Now 6 times A is 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3, then 2 minus 1 3 plus 5 times identity matrix, so 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now we need to simplify this to get the value of A inverse. So A inverse will be minus 1 upon 11 times this will be 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 minus 6 times, so this will be 6 6 6 6 or 12 minus 18 12 minus 6 18 plus 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. So if we simplify this further, we will get A inverse as 1 upon 11 times this will be 4 minus 6 plus 5. 4 minus 6 plus 5. The next term will be 2 minus 6 plus 0. So this will be 2 minus 6. Then next term is again 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6. Then next term is minus 3 minus 6 0. So minus 3 minus 6. Next term will be 8 minus 12 plus 5. 8 minus 12 plus 5. Then minus 14 plus 18. Minus 14 plus 18. Then next term is 7 minus 12 plus 0. 7 minus 12 plus 0. Then minus 3 plus 6. And then 14 minus 18 plus 5. 14 minus 18 plus 5. So this is our this will be our A inverse matrix. Now if we further simplify this, we will get the value of A inverse. So it is minus 1 upon 11 times. This is 4 minus 6 is minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3. And 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Then this is minus 9. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1. This is 4. This is minus 5 plus 3. This is 14 minus 18 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1. Now if we multiply this minus sign inside, so this will be 1 upon 11 times minus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 minus 1 minus 4 plus 5 minus 3 minus 1. So this is the value of A inverse for the given matrix A. So in this question we have showed that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i equals to 0, and we have also find the value of A inverse. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.